It's like walked into a fucking death zone, dude.
Do you want that AKM?
I don't know, do I?
Better than your SKS? And it even has a mag.
Let's be careful, man. There's still upstairs.
I'm checking it out.
Alright, take it slow.
A Mosin. What is up with this? Another Mosin?
Alright, closing the door.
Okay.
This could be a, could be a trap. It's a trap. He's got food. I like that.
That is pretty nice. Okay, well, I just found myself a pistol, the
Oh,
silence.
did you see this longhorn on the floor?
Yeah.
Jeez. What the hell happened up here?
Shit. Look, dude, look at my pistol now.
I like it. I like that bandana more.
I just found
Sweet.
it too.
I grab the ammo out of that mag before you leave it.
Oh, okay. Oh, I still dropped some 357 ammo.
Oh,
If you
okay.
want it.
Yeah, no, that's what I saw. So actually, if you want to leave that, then don't worry about it.
Mm-hmm.
Man, some bad
So
juju
do you want the
went down over here.
SKS? Or do you prefer the AKM?
What's the